Hey folks, Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first. Wanted to take a moment and show you rollouts. Why are rollouts so important in a cabinet? And wanted to show you the feature and how it is they work and why they're important. So here we're at a base cabinet, and if we go ahead and we open up the doors, we can see that inside this cabinet we have two rollouts. And the problem that everybody has is that what's on the bottom or in the back they just can't see. And so through rollouts, and these aren't, but we now do all adjustable rollouts. And when you pull out this bottom drawer, we can see what's back in there. Now, as you can see, that's all that heavy glassware for baking, cooking, right? It's heavy. This drawer is going to hold over 100 pounds, and we can go ahead and we can close that back in. And then, of course, on the top as well, you know, we pull that out, and look, we have full access to everything on that shelf. And we can do this in your project. I'm going to go ahead and close that, and then we can go ahead and we can close up these doors. And again, all soft close. That door's not going. All soft close doors, all soft close glides, all adjustable shelving. Even the rollout shelves are adjustable. That's our standard. So when you're ready to do your next project, do it with us. Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first.